In today's digital age, your smartphone is far more than just a communication device. For entrepreneurs, it represents a powerful, portable business hub capable of generating significant income. This isn't about quick scams or unrealistic promises, but about leveraging technology and your skills. We're going to explore practical, actionable strategies to transform your smartphone into a genuine money-making tool. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or scale an existing venture, your phone holds immense potential. Let's dive into how you can unlock its entrepreneurial power. Many entrepreneurial opportunities begin with the skills you already possess. Your smartphone can be the primary tool for delivering these services. Consider freelancing platforms that connect you with clients seeking various expertise. Writing, graphic design, social media management, or virtual assistant tasks can all be managed directly from your phone. Apps like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to create profiles, bid on projects, and communicate with clients on the go. This flexibility is a huge advantage for busy entrepreneurs. Online tutoring or coaching is another excellent avenue. If you have expertise in a specific subject or skill, platforms exist to connect you with students worldwide. Your smartphone becomes your classroom, enabling you to teach from anywhere. Even consulting services can be delivered via your phone. Video calls, email, and messaging apps facilitate seamless communication with clients. Your knowledge becomes a valuable commodity, accessible through the device in your hand. The rise of digital content has opened vast monetization opportunities, many of which are smartphone-centric. Your phone's camera and editing capabilities are often sufficient to produce high-quality content. Consider becoming a content creator on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You can share your expertise, document your entrepreneurial journey, or create engaging niche content. Monetization comes through ads, sponsorships, and direct audience support. Podcasting is another growing medium. You can record, edit, and publish episodes using various mobile apps. A compelling podcast can attract an audience, leading to advertising revenue or promoting your other business ventures. If you have an eye for photography or videography, your smartphone can be a powerful tool. Sell your high-quality images or video clips to stock photo websites. Many apps facilitate direct uploads and management of your portfolio. Your smartphone is an ideal platform for managing e-commerce operations, from sourcing products to processing sales. The barrier to entry for starting an online store has never been lower. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You can manage your entire store, from product listings to customer service, using dedicated mobile apps. Your phone becomes your virtual storefront and operations center. If you create handmade goods, platforms like Etsy have robust mobile apps for sellers. You can list products, respond to customer inquiries, and manage orders directly from your device. This empowers artisans to run their businesses efficiently. Reselling items is another profitable strategy. Use apps like eBay, Poshmark, or local marketplace platforms to list and sell unwanted items or sourced products. Your phone handles photography, listing, and communication with buyers. The gig economy thrives on smartphone accessibility, offering numerous ways to earn income flexibly. These opportunities are perfect for supplementing income or filling gaps in your schedule. Rideshare and food delivery apps are prominent examples. If you have a vehicle, you can sign up to drive or deliver goods during your spare time. Your smartphone acts as your dispatch system and payment processor. Task completion apps offer micro-gigs like mystery shopping, data collection, or local errands. These tasks are often quick and can be completed using your phone's GPS and camera. They provide a flexible way to earn small amounts. While less lucrative, survey apps can offer a modest income for sharing your opinions. Be mindful of the time investment versus the reward, but they can be a simple way to earn during downtime. Beyond direct earning, your smartphone can be a powerful tool for managing and growing your finances. Access to investment platforms and financial tools is now at your fingertips. Stock trading apps allow you to buy and sell shares, monitor market trends, and manage your portfolio. For entrepreneurs, this can be a way to invest business profits or personal savings. Always approach investing with careful research and understanding of risks. Cryptocurrency apps provide access to digital asset markets. While volatile, some entrepreneurs explore crypto as an investment or a payment method. Education and caution are paramount in this space. Crucially, your smartphone can streamline your business's financial management. Budgeting apps, expense trackers, and mobile banking tools help you monitor cash flow, track receipts, and stay on top of your financial health. Your smartphone isn't just for earning. It's also essential for building your entrepreneurial brand and scaling your operations. Consistent effort in these areas will amplify your income potential. Social media marketing is largely mobile-driven. Use your phone to create engaging content, interact with your audience, and run targeted ad campaigns. A strong online presence is vital for attracting customers. Email marketing can also be managed from your device. Collect leads, send newsletters, and communicate promotions directly from your smartphone. Building an email list is a powerful asset for any business. Ultimately, your smartphone empowers you to be agile and responsive in your entrepreneurial journey. It allows you to seize opportunities, connect with your audience, and manage your business from virtually anywhere. The smartphone in your pocket is a versatile and powerful entrepreneurial tool. From freelancing and content creation to e-commerce and financial management, the possibilities are extensive. Success hinges on identifying your unique skills, choosing the right platforms, and maintaining consistency. Start small, learn continuously, and leverage the incredible capabilities of your device. Your smartphone isn't just a gadget. It's your portable office, your creative studio, and your direct link to a world of income-generating opportunities. Embrace its potential and transform it into your ultimate profit center.